Hey guys, so if you watched one of my latest videos where I deleted the footage, this has also happened to this video. So today I have a Twisted Allure subscription to show you for July. I know that it's super late. I did ask on Instagram if people wanted a double unboxing of this month and July, or if they wanted separate ones. Honestly, it was quite 50-50, so I'm just gonna do separate ones. I don't have any of the packaging left. I don't have the box. I don't have the cute, colourful confetti stuff. I don't have the little slip that comes inside. Nothing like that, unfortunately, because I'd literally put it all away in the cupboard after filming. So I'm just gonna have to go through and show you again what I got in the July box. For anyone that hasn't seen me open Twisted Allure before, it is a subscription box of like spooky bath things. So you can get bath bombs, soaps, shower gels, sugar scrubs, body sprays, hand sanitizers, moisturizers, all different kinds of things. You get between 5 or 6 full-size items every time, and it is $55 a box. It is an American box. They do ship worldwide, but the postage is quite a lot of money. I'm just going to throw that out there now. I have a discount code, which is LunaLily, for 5% off, so if you do want something, then I will put that here now. It'll get you a little bit of money off. She also just does single items. You don't have to get the subscription box. You can just buy separate items if you want to. And the theme for the June box was Terror Tiki Island. So I'm just going to show you what was in there now. I apologize that there is no cute little box and stuff, but everything inside is really cute anyway. So the first thing that I got was a bath bomb called Terror Tiki, and this is Tropical Tiki Punch scented. It is absolutely huge as always, and it's got this super neon face on there. I can't really smell it through the plastic if I'm totally honest, but I'm gonna assume that Tropical Tiki Punch scent is amazing because absolutely everything that she does smells incredible. 100% my favorite like bath and shower things I've ever had is from Twisted Allure, so I have no doubt that it smells amazing. So that is our bath bomb. You could also break that in half and have it for 2 baths if you wanted to. Then next is a bubble bath. So this is the first bubble bath that I've ever had from Twisted Allure, and this one is called Tiki Party, and it's pineapple punch scented. I was so excited when I opened this one up. It does have a little clicky lid so that it's easy to use, but I was just opening it to smell it better. It smells absolutely incredible. If they made a perfume of this, which she might do like a body spray of this and stuff, I bet it's absolutely amazing. If you're from the UK, it smells like pineapple cubes, the sweets. It's like a really sweet, sugary pineapple, like toffee kind of scent. Absolutely love it. Smells incredible. All of the artwork on them is amazing as well. I've said before in the past, they look like tattoo designs to me. That would be so cute. So that is our little bubble bath. Then next we got a soap. This one is called Twisted Tiki Soap Bar, and it's raspberry lemonade scented. So cute. Again, it's got like these neon but pastel sort of colours around it. I don't really know how that's even possible that they're pastel and neon at the same time. This one I can smell, and it smells absolutely insanely amazing. It smells like fresh raspberries and lemon and stuff. Love it. Not a huge fan of soap bars, honestly. I very rarely use them, but even if it's just for a decoration like at the side on your sink, this is really cute. So that is the Twisted Tiki Soap Bar. Then there was this in there, a little sticker. Again, such a cute design. Like, I kind of want to get that as a tattoo. So cute, little shrunken head. And then we have 2 items left, which are my favourite. So I'll do this one first. This one is a whipped soap, and it's called Shrunkenstein. And this one is coconut and sandalwood. I absolutely love both of those. It's a bright green and orange kind of colour, and it has this cute little pop-up top so that it's super easy to use. Looks like this. Smells incredible. Definitely not as sweet as I was expecting, honestly. When I saw coconut and sandalwood, I thought it was going to be a very, very sugary kind of coconut smell. But it could definitely be also more of a masculine sort of scent as well, I would say. I do love it though, 100% going to use this. I'm not 100% sure if I've ever had a whipped soap from them. I think most of them have been sugar scrubs, so I'm quite excited to try this. But this is a huge tub, so I'm sure it will last ages. There is that. And then the very last thing that I got was this one, which is one of their body sprays, which are always my favourite. This one is called Horror Hula, and it is Summer Beach Towel scented. Now, when I first saw this, and when I first did the video that got deleted and I saw Summer Beach Towel, to me, I didn't understand what that was going to smell like. But if you could smell this, and I 100% wish you could, you would know what Summer Beach Towel was. Like that, it literally is Summer Beach Towel. It's like fruity, coconutty, sun creamy, holiday scented. And I don't know how she's done it, but it smells so good. And like, this just smells like summer to me. If there was a summer smell, this would be it. She has bottled it incredibly. Amazing. I don't know how much more to kind of explain it than it smells like a beach towel on holiday. It smells like sun cream, coconut, pineapple, tropical, amazing. Absolutely love this. Will 100% end up using up all of this. So yeah, that was everything that came in the Terra Tiki Island Twisted Allure box. I will quickly grab it all and show you all together at once. So we had the coconut and sandalwood whipped soap, pineapple punch bubble bath, which smells amazing, the Terra Tiki Tropical Tiki Punch bath bomb, the very cute little sticker, the Twisted Tiki Raspberry Lemonade soap bar, and the Horror Hula Summer Beach Towel body spray. Absolutely love it as always. There's not a single thing that I don't like. It also usually comes with a little business card with like a sample soap on it and stuff, and really cute little colourful packaging so that you know like the theme colours of this month. There has literally never been an item that I didn't like from Twisted Allure. They have always smelled insanely amazing, and the smell really lasts as well. So if you use like the soap or the sugar scrubs after you've had a shower, you can still smell it, which I really like. But yeah, you'll have to let me know what you thought of this one down below, if you're going to get anything, if you've had anything from her in the past. And I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.